Hello viewers, if you have been waiting to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, this is literally the best time to grab it. The MRP on Amazon.in is 39,999 rupees. But listen carefully, there is a instant 1000 rupees coupon, and if you pay with HDFC credit card, in that case you will get 5,750 rupees off more. That brings the effective price down to just 33,249 rupees. Plus you will also get no cost EMI options for 3 months, 6 months and even 9 months. Super flexible for buyers. And remember, this is not some mid-range tablet. Tab S9 packs a top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. It has AMOLED display with 2x resolution, so you will have a great multimedia experience on this tablet. And yes, S Pen is included in the box, so you can execute your creative task using S Pen. And the writing experience is top-notch on Tab S9. Performance of Tab S9 is rock solid. This tablet is made for perfect multitasking, video editing, note-taking, and many other creativity tasks. Honestly, at this price point, it's a killer deal. This is the lowest price for Tab S9 right now. So if you are interested to buy this tablet, you can definitely buy this right now. I have put the best buy link in the description below. Click on that link to buy that product. So in the conclusion, if you are waiting for the right time to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, this is the right time for you. Go check Tab S9 deal on Amazon.in right now before the offer expires. Hope this video will help you to buy Tab S9. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.